We have some breaking news now coming in. This is the CNN News 18 Impact. The Sports Department to the Government of Haryana has issued directions to take remedial measures now into these substandard buildings and sports infrastructure on premises that come under the department. All substandard sports equipment will be immediately removed. This after CNN News 18 brought to the fore these two instances that have come to the fore, one from Rohtak, the other from Jhajjar in Haryana, where in both cases it was public infrastructure, government-run facilities where this accident happened, and two young lives were snuffed out. The state government now swinging into action, ensuring that all of this substandard material, the substandard infrastructure, all of that will now be removed with immediate effect. Anshul, my colleague, now joins us, getting us more details on this. Anshul, these directives that have come to the fore from the sports department of the Haryana government, a little too late, many would say, at least the families of these two victims. But this needs to be done, and that's something that CNN News 18 has now prompted the state government to swing into action.
Well, definitely a massive impact of the story that we have carried since this morning, and how the crumbling sport infrastructure in Haryana has actually gone ahead and taken life of two promising sports persons of India, and the manner in which this has happened, which is absolutely shocking. We just heard the panel members as well, and they also say that the manner in which the response of the sports authority was at that point in time, that was something that was not expected of them. In fact, in the hospitals as well, the manner in which they were treated, or the manner in which the doctors spoke to them, they were also not expecting that. But now finally, the Haryana government has gone ahead and taken this decision that an audit would be done of the sports infrastructure in the state of Haryana, and along with that, it is also very important to note that an SIT has also been formed by the Haryana government, which will look into all these allegations, because allegations of corruption has also been raised against the district sport officer who was responsible for maintaining that facility as well. So once that report comes in, it is going to be very interesting to see if at all any more stringent action would be taken against the people who were responsible for maintaining that sport facility. At this point in time, the district sport officer has now been suspended by the Haryana government, and in the next few days, as the report of the investigation would come out, it will be very important to note as to what were the exact lapses, or what were the things that were ignored by the administration, because of which the 15-year-old child had to lose his life in this very tragic incident.
Right. Anshul, as far as these measures that have been put in place by the state government, there's also political fire that the state government has been facing. We had the Congress come out and question the kinds of funds that were given, kind of infrastructure that the state of Haryana had. Any response from the state government, the sports ministry on that?
Well, the state government has not responded to the comments that have been made by the Congress party, or by the opposition for that matter. However, senior members of the Haryana government have come on record and have said that, and have accepted this fact, that this entire incident has happened because of the mistakes that were conducted by their administration. And this is probably one of the few times when the government themselves, instead of getting involved in politics, are actually accepting the fact that the life that has been lost is just because of the laxity and the mistakes that has been shown by the administration. And it is going to be very important to see now that if this entire incident would be a wake-up call for the administration. Yes, at this point in time, the orders have been given to carry out an audit to figure out as to what are the locations where there could be more such instances, or more such crumbling infrastructure exist. And once that list is made, and if at all their work is done, then it would be some good work by the Haryana government. But at this point in time, the crumbling sports infrastructure in a state like Haryana, which has given so many international players to a country in different fields itself, something like this happening in Haryana is definitely very shocking. And that is the reason why there are a lot of questions that are being raised against the Haryana government and the Haryana administration.
Right. Thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front, Anshul. Political reactions, meanwhile, are trickling in thick and fast. Let's listen into some of those.
ऐसा लगता है सरकार को इस बात से तकलीफ है कि हरियाणा के बच्चे खेल की तरफ जो प्रोत्साहन दिया गया था, वो खेल की तरफ हरियाणा के बच्चे जाएं, तो इस सरकार को उस बात से भी कहीं ना कहीं तकलीफ है। आज ये दिखाई दे रहा है, मैंने जैसे कहा कि पूरी तरीके से सरकार की लापरवाही और बेरुखी की वजह से हमने अपने देश का एक हीरा भाई खोया है। जिम्मेदारी सरकार की है, और ये इतनी बड़ी बेरुखी सरकार की और इतनी बड़ी लापरवाही, कहीं ना कहीं ये बेरुखी और लापरवाही नहीं, इसको अपराध की श्रेणी में इस बेरुखी, इस लापरवाही को आप देख सकते हैं।
प्लेयरों ने बताया मेरे को कि वह कुछ बच्चे से उस पे पोल पे चढ़े हुए थे और पोल टूट के गिर गया। और ये बड़ी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है और हमारे लिए तो बड़ी शर्म की बात है कि हमारे इस तरह हमारे खिलाड़ी का स्वर्गवास हुआ है। एक्सीडेंट हुआ, उसके बाद तो एडमिट हुआ, तो उसका कल स्वर्गवास हुआ है। हमने एक कमेटी बनाई है अभी, जिसमें बास्केटबॉल कोच और जो जितने हमारे राजीव गांधी स्टेडियम हैं उनके इंचार्ज और सीनियर कोच की, उसमें अब हम सभी वो चेक करवाने लग रहे हैं। वैसे ये जो पोल लगे हुए हैं काफ़ी पुराने समय के लगे हुए हैं, इनको रिप्लेस करने का समय तो हो ही चुका काफ़ी टाइम से। गलती तो हमारी है ही, समय काफ़ी लंबे समय से इनकी रिपेयर नहीं हो रही।